Okay, anytime.
5, 4, 3.
This is something new for us. This is a 6 by 8 inch paper pad. This is called Auburn Lane, and it's created by Pink Paisley for American Crafts. Now there's 24 pages in here. They are single-sided, but they're really designed for card making. And let me just flip through, because what I'm surprised about is that all of them are different. So let me show you. So here we have these diamonds, and tone on tone, really pretty floral, some honeycomb, tone on tone again. And then we've got these that you're going to cut apart. So warm and cozy, made with love, my heart is full, and some other elements that you can use. And I do appreciate the fact that the colors are interchangeable. So all of that is really nice. And you can see, and these are a cardstock. And so they're going to work very nicely. The sheet, the pad is designed to peg, so there's a hole at the top, but don't worry about that because this is a pad, you'll just pull them off. And as you can see, the things work just very nicely together. So I thought it would be nice just to really get an up close and look at each of those papers in the Auburn Lane paper pad.